Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Click on the bell button for notification. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Click on the bell button for notification.
Let me quickly ask you this, because I know that several times we speak about this here when we have guests on the show, and it has been on structure, whether Nigerians can actually buy that story that we don't need structure if we need to make any change. It's not necessarily how big the party is, it's where Nigerians want to go part-time.
I really don't understand what you can operate with if you don't have structure. And I stand to be challenged by anybody who says that structures are not important. Of course he's here, so I'm happy.
No, I didn't say I don't believe in structures. Okay. I'm saying that the parties that you claim have structure don't really have organic structures. They have retail outlets for bribery, intimidation, and corruption of voters. That's what I said.
Okay, let me take it that from that way. Assuming, like you mentioned here, that what they are doing is transactional politics. Yes. That of course means from his coinage that there is something like transactional politics which is in existence, and that automatically, as far as Nigeria is concerned, even if we are taking it on that level, becomes their structure. And I believe without what we call ShopRite kind of structure or whatever, if it does not exist for a political party in this country, the party will just daydream and fizzle out. And so it is very important that political parties have structure. It's not in doubt. Because if you don't, it's more like you don't have a base.
Yeah, but he says he does. And what he has is organic.
Yeah.
He says he's able to connect to especially the young people.
You know what? You know what I said when I was commenting on Obi's position?
Yeah.
I said it's not good to play the lizard. You know, a lizard falls up from up down, it nods his head, at least congratulating himself if no other person does so. So I believe it would be nice for Nigerians to now see that this particular brand of structure is organic or not even that particular person. You can just say it as an aside, and that's what I believe, that PDP, APC have its roots on the stock. It doesn't mean they cannot be dislodged any year. But for this 2019, as far as Emmanuel Duque is concerned, it's going to be an uphill task to dislodge them.
Alright, yes.
Yeah, briefly, just to say that we have national leadership, state leadership, senatorial leadership, world leadership, unity leadership, all those. They all exist. But some of us are involved. They are debating issues. I have not started seeing transaction, but I can understand what he's saying. He says when the push comes to push, that money will be the determining influence. That is correct. There's no, you see, we need to be very frank in this country. We are still playing money politics because we have not carried out the kind of electoral reforms that some of us have advocated openly. And so it needs to also know that because of this money politics, he can. I wish him luck, but he knows he has uphill task facing us as a country, and that is why his entry into politics for me is very important. He could have been enjoying himself in the US. Some of us returned from that country back to this country to do what we are doing in one way or the other, because it's our job to change our society. Structure. You remember that the popular campaign now in Nigeria is restructure. Structure and restructure. Some people think that we have the right structure. Some of us think that we don't have the right structure. You know? Just as an aside, I was typing something I wanted to post on Facebook. If you watch the last 1 year, every legislature sponsored a bid to open University of Cooking in his village. University of Running Away, sponsored by Honorable Dudu. This, that. Everybody is sponsoring. Over 300, even House of Reps and Senate, to be funded by who? You see, legislators are now involved in a bill to set up one thing or the other. That is exactly what politics is not about. When you have an opportunity like the kind of opportunity we have here, I'm just urging our friend here to know that beyond 2019, his ideas.
You don't think 2019 is feasible for him?
I wish him luck. I've said so.
Well, it is very important to say that I actually believe that 2019 is the best time to dislodge the Okagos. I can't stop calling them Okagos. Because this country cannot afford to continue the way it is now. And people who have been left out of the political process, the economic process, you know, if we don't get it right in 2019, what is coming to all of us is something we cannot imagine. It's going to be a hurricane that will sweep a lot of people away, because you can't have 70% of the population who are wallowing in abject poverty and penury, whereas a few people are making it. And you think that perpetually they'll just be watching you feed the greedy and the needy are just there. One day they rise up, and what our voice is, we're lending our voice to that revolutionary feeling and thought in the country. So I like the arrogance of the existing parties, because
no, but obviously,
it was there the night before there was a revolution in Cuba and in France. The big people always sit comfortably saying these people can never rise up, and then one day they discover that they have a problem on their hands. So that's what you hear from the existing behemoth parties. Oh yes, we have structures because we are going to give money on election day. They have forgotten that people might rise up and say we don't want to vote for you. We are voting for people with ideas. So ideas become the new currency, and that can happen in 2 months.
There's something I got though, that because of the money-based politics that we have in this country, and it is so because it works for both ends. It works for those who are receiving, and it works for those who are giving.
That's why I say it's transactional.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So let's not forget that it works because it's also the people who are interested in receiving. Now, the number of people who are willing to receive increasingly, unfortunately for us in Nigeria, are plenty and increasing because we're poverty capital of the world, and so many other factors. How do you seek to deal with that? Because there will be people who might like what you want to do, or interested in how much you want to part with as finances.
Oh, you know, it's going to be done by education and conscientization. What we're breaking it down to people is, you know, if they give you 5,000 naira during election day, divide it by 4 years, what do you get? Maybe 10 kobo per day. You know, and then you discover that 5,000 is your next child's education, your health. So all of it is put together in a paper or a paper bag and is given to you as stomach infrastructure. And for another 4 years, you're dying, you have no hospitals to go to because the politicians have converted them and given it to you. That kind of education percolates more. And a lot of more people are talking about it. That look, you know, we don't want instant gratification. We want a country that's working. Because before, you know, you had to tell people about USA and the UK when it comes to development. But now when our musicians go to Ghana, they send back pictures of the airport as if they went to the moon. And Ghana is just at a 4 minutes flight from here. So it's starting to sink into public consciousness that if you govern Ghana, you know, we had Ghana Must Go in 1983. Ghanaians are now doing Nigeria Must Go 2018. So it's that particular intervention in public consciousness is making people have a rethink, you know, and that is why these big parties who think that money will do it will be disgraced in 2019. If it's the only thing we can do for them so that this country can move in the direction of progress and prosperity, we are here to do it, and that's what we call a revolution.
Okay, okay.
Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Click on the bell button for notification.